Lord, when you are drunk, you cannot stand up straight. There's a bend in your waist. Your bladder weak. Always taking a leak. Oh Lord, when you are drunk. Oh Lord, when you are drunk. I love tequila. 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 A rum and coke for me. And a Bacardi for my friends. Is where them gone? What you say, they don't like me? Well, if they don't like me, it's because of you. So today, you and I are through. We're getting a divorce. What you say, you love me? Then how comes for the past 20 years you've been knocking me out? Huh? I remember the first time that we met. It was in a bar. You asked me if I was there alone, and I said yes. You asked me if I needed company, and I said yes. That night we danced until I could hardly feel my legs. I could hardly stand up. It was a guy who had to carry me home. The next day, the next day you asked me to come and check you. And I did. That night, you asked me to come and meet you at the bar. And subsequently, yes, subsequently, that is what I said. At closing time, I was found collapsed over the bar counter. After failing a breathalyzer test and banned from driving, I had to sell my beautiful Mercedes. I will never forgive you for that. In the mornings, you telling me, don't get up. I lose my job. My wife said, it's you or she. You telling me, don't worry about she. She's only joking. That night when we came home from the bar, I found all my belongings scattered all over my driveway. And when I went up to the door, she changed the lock. The thought suddenly occurred to me that my wife was not joking at all. My life been completely disheveled. Shut up! I turned to you for advice. I didn't know that asking you for advice was like asking a donkey who his father is. You said to me, let us stay together because we make a winning pair. When the race we win, I lost everything. My children don't want to talk to me anymore because they said that my breath smell. Everything I lose. So now today, I am losing you. Go on. What you waiting on? Go on. Oh, you want your cap? There you go. Go on now. What you crying for? You're a big bottle. Stop the crying. Stop the crying. Oh, okay. But just one last sip. You hear?